To another Ask Zenler. So in this workshop we're going to look at streaming into a live Facebook event. So to create an event, go to your Facebook group page, and inside more here we can go to events and we can click create event. Okay, let's now click online and let's schedule a live class, one-off class. There's our event set up. So we're going to call this workshop demo. I'm going to set the time in here for the start of the event and the end date of the event, the end time and the date. And click next. So you can actually add an image in here if you want to by uploading. And you can also put what to expect and requirements. We're going to click next to this. We're going to present a live broadcast. Okay, so we're going to go live directly in this group. Click got it. Let's get next. You've also got more options in here. Next to this. And you can see here we've got event settings. So we've got let's create this event now. So create event. You can also invite people by checking this box. So we've created this event. Okay, so this part of it is done. Let's close that down. We've got the event set up. So if I now go into my events, you can see we've got this workshop demo. So we've also got here set up live video. We're going to be using this later. Okay, so now inside of our Zenler site, we're going to go to live. We're going to go to live stream, and inside here I'm going to create a new live stream. Let's call this workshop demo. We're going to set when it starts. This will coincide with what you've already set. I'm going to put that on 320, and you're going to say a run time for this. I'm just going to say 1.5 hours, and I'm going to click. Make sure I click in here to set my time zone, which is London, and click create. Okay, so now you can see that we've actually got start live. Now you can only start the live 15 minutes before the scheduled time. So as we've got it set for 2:20, we can only set this at 2:05. Okay, so it's now 2:05, so I can actually start the live. So we start the live inside here, and then we actually connect the stream to the Facebook. So let's go in here and click start live. So this is going to throw up your normal options. We're going to click start live. You're going to see it says 15 minutes before scheduled time. So if you've got this set to 3:20, I need to change this to 2:20. So I'm going to come down here, set it to 2:20. I'm going to click update. So I can now start this. So it's set for 2:20, and we're going to click start live. I'm going to click start live, and then it's going to throw up your normal Zoom window. So you're going to see this now. We've got our Zoom window. There we go. I'm going to join this with audio, and I'm going to turn on the screen here. So as I only have one webcam, and that's what I'm using to record this, you can't actually see, I can't enable my video, but you can hear my sound coming through on here. So all I need to do now is I just need to exit full screen on this. This is set up ready for us to go. You can see my name on there. So I'm going to be checking this in a second. What I'll do is I'll do a quick screen share inside here because we'll be able to see that. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to click share, and that's going to share my screen here. Okay, so I've got that all set up. So I'm actually live using the Zoom now, and I'm actually doing it live, but I haven't streamed to the actual Facebook event yet. So we're going to go back to the Facebook event. We're going to go set up live video. So when we set up the live video, it's going to ask us for certain things. So we need to use streaming software here. So we're going to select the source. It's going to give us what's called a stream key, and it's going to give us a few more settings. If we open advanced, you can see there's a server URL, and we also need the link for the event itself. So what I tend to do is I open up another Facebook page, and I go down to the event and I click in the event, and that gives me the URL. So these are the three things that I need to be able to stream into this group. So let me go to here, let me go down to events, And once I'm in the event here, you can see this workshop demo. I can click on this and it's going to give me the actual video workshop URL. So it's just this part, not from there, from there. Okay, so I need this for that, and I need this, and I need this. So now we're going to jump across. Now at the moment you can't see anything. See this? It's not connected yet. Watch what happens when we connect it using our Zoom. So I'm opening this up. I'm just going to turn off the camera here. Hold on, let me stop the share, bring the Zoom back. Okay, I'm going to stop that share. So I'm now going to go to more. I'm going to go to live on custom streaming service. Let's click that. And it's going to give me a few little options. So the first one I need is the live page URL, which is that one that I copied. Then I need to jump into here. We need to copy the server URL. So I'm going to jump back to here. This is the server URL. Ooh. Streaming URL they call it. Okay. And the last thing I need is the key, which is this one here. So I'm going to select that key and I'm going to put that in there. Okay. So this is done now. So when I hit go live, you're going to see that it will come up in there. So let's click go live. It's preparing to stream. And if we click back here, you're going to see that we're up. We're actually there. So if I now, using my Zoom here, if I go to share my screen, you're going to see it will appear in here in a second. It's normally about 10-second lag on this. And there we go. You can see it's appeared. So we're actually already, now at the moment we haven't streamed. We're not actually streaming into Facebook group. We've set up the stream from Zoom into our Facebook event, but we're not actually live. We're only live when we hit go live now. So because this is a test and it's a live group, I'm not going to hit this, but if I do, it will go live straight into the group. And that is how we can set up Zenler's Zoom, and we can actually stream it straight to a Facebook event inside of Facebook. So remember, hit the go live now and then you'll be live streaming. At the moment we're not showing on screen, but it's not actually live yet until we hit this last step. Okay, and that's how you do it.